Want one of the best locations in the Glen? Well, this is it. I'm Vittoria Logli, and today I'm taking you inside 2587 Chestnut Avenue in Glenview, directly across from Gallery Park, the Park Center, and Atia Middle School. But the location is only the beginning. This home really knows how to make a statement. Soaring ceilings and a stunning soaring floor-to-ceiling bookcase that really sets the tone. Freshly updated throughout, everything feels current and bright. And the two-story family room brings even more drama. The kitchen is every bit as beautiful as it is functional. But here's where the floor plan really delivers. A main level bedroom and a full bath. Let's check out the second floor. The primary suite offers so much more than just a bedroom, including this oversized sitting room and 2 walk-in closets. And here's an unexpected surprise, a tandem 3-car garage. If you want one of the Glen's best locations with a home that's anything but ordinary, this is it. Reach out for private showing.